Friends and students, today I am going to talk on the another important data collection source or tool is known as sample survey. Sample survey is one of the dominating tool to collect data about the population aspects. Not only population aspects, any aspects for that matter, we are going to collect data through the sample survey method. Sample survey has been playing an important role in the present scenario. Since last 3 decades, in collecting the details of sociological and economic information, and as I already told you, it's not only concerned to only sociological and economic information, all other rest of the aspects about data also collected through the sample survey method. This scientific method is used in the research of population studies, and it is one of the significant method to collect statistical data of population studies. Particularly, moreover, we are using this method in population studies more. Then let us try to understand about the meaning of sample survey. Meaning of sample survey. In statistical terms, the method used to choose a sample of things from a targeted population for taking survey is known as sample survey. For example, to take one portion of grains from a heap and testing its quality, the portion that has been selected is referred as sample survey. I repeat, for example, to take one portion of grains from a heap and testing its quality, the portion that has been selected is referred as sample survey. Okay. This is all about the meaning. See, sample survey, that word itself is indicating the meaning. Okay. Then, after understanding the meaning of sample survey, let us try to understand some important current sample survey in India. There are so many institutions, including NGOs. They are conducting a sample survey in a different manner, in a different field to collect data regarding population studies, collect data regarding some other aspects. It may be a religious, it may be a cultural, whatever it may be. We are using this method to collect data. That you have to bear in your mind. Okay, let us try to focus some important current sample surveys in India. In 1955, Demographic Research Center Patna, which is situated in Patna, conducted a beautiful survey on married women status. It's a very important aspect. Okay, in 1955, this institution conducted a sample survey on married women status. Then the second one, the Operation Research Group, if I put it in a bracket, ORG. The expansion of ORG is Operation Research Group. This is one kind of what is a deemed institution, conducted a survey during 1970 about family planning. Then another important point to be noted that the third important survey, which is conducted during 1992, National Family Health Survey. This survey conducted an information on the data about fertility and family planning awareness. Okay. Then National Family Survey. This is known as second one. National Family Survey. This is known as the second survey. In this survey, it took place during 1998 and 1999. The survey was conducted to collect information on population of the country, whether it is increasing or whether it is decreasing, what are the crucial aspects which are influencing on the population in our country. All this data were collected in this survey. And the next one is International Institute of Population Studies, which is situated in Mumbai, which belongs to Maharashtra, conducted a survey on population study on Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. 3 states are incorporated or were incorporated in this survey. 3 states, namely study on Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. Okay, this was a very impressive survey. Very impressive survey during that period, because it was a period which was focusing about increasing population. It was a time huge increasing population in our country is concerned. Okay, the 6th one was Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. Now it is known as Kolkata. It is the survey conducted on population study of tribal people survey. It's a beautiful survey. Tribal people, about the population, birth rate, death rate, mortality rate, migration rate about the tribal people were conducted. Okay, then the 7th one is Institute of Economic Growth, which is situated in New Delhi, conducted a population survey on impact of urbanization. How far the process of urbanization is encouraging about the migration. Usually, as you know, the dominant factor for any process of migration is predominantly urbanization. Urbanization process uplifting the migration. Okay, not whether towards the rural to urban. Okay, so therefore, Institute of Economic Growth, New Delhi conducted a beautiful survey on impact of urbanization. Okay, then 8th one, Demographic Research Center, Dharwad, which belongs to a Karnataka state, conducted a beautiful study on population study of Mysore state. Mysore state means Karnataka state. It doesn't mean Karnataka state. It means Karnataka state, as well as a monograph of Kogilagiri village. Monographs, features of Kogilagiri village. Okay. The 9th one, the 9th institute or survey, which was conducted through the Institute of National Shampal Survey, New Delhi. It's a very, very famous and deemed autonomous institution, which is running under the administration of the central government, and really it is conducting day-to-day data pertaining to birth rate, death rate, migration, age, each and every minute. The NSS, it is known as NSS also. NSS means Institute for National Shampal Survey. NSS means National Shampal Survey, but it's, I would like to use another word, it is working like a computer. NSS is a National Shampal Survey. The institute, which is situated in New Delhi, is working tremendously about conducting surveys as well as conducting day-to-day birth rate, death, all of population aspects. Okay, yeah, every minute it is conducting, every day it is conducting. Okay, it has no time, it has no specific time. Hence, it's a very, very respectable data collection institute, which is situated in New Delhi. The another important Indian Institute of Population Studies, Madras, conducted several studies, but the famous survey conducted on the demographic survey of village near Madras. Okay. Another important point to be noted, Shampal survey, United Nations and Government of India conducted a survey togetherly on the Mysore population study. The 12th one I would like to present before you is Population Center in Lucknow conducted a survey on demographic and family planning. So, therefore, there are so many institutions. There are so many survey institutions directly or indirectly conducting about data collection through the technique, namely social survey. Okay, therefore, it is a very good data collection technique. It's a very good data collection technique which is useful even for the researchers, even for the government, even for the social reformers, whomsoever it may concern. The sample survey is really consumes less time and less expenditure. When you compare all other techniques, it is less expenditure. Consumes less time as well as less expenditure in collecting information. There is no need of large number of staff. The survey has to be conducted by eligible, qualified, and trained staff. Then there is no need to them to have much knowledge about the principles. The information collected through in this method is authenticated and reliable as well as trustworthy. Thank you one and all.